Napagod ka na ba sa walang matapusang upa? Bakit hindi mo na lang gawin sa'yo ang binabayaran mo buwan-buwan?
Welcome to Sapphire Residences, located at Barangay Santol, Tansa, Cavite. 10 minutes away lang to sa SM Tansa at Vista Mall Tansa. At 1 ride away lang to pa Mall of Asia at PITX. Malapit sa schools, hospitals at public market. May UV Express din at bus papuntang Metro Manila. This is a 2-story townhouse na may 58 square meter na floor area. May provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, at ang best part, may car park na ito.
Wow.
Hindi ka na mamumblema sa parking. Flood-free at fault-free ang community. May sariling gate, security, at amenities tulad ng clubhouse, basketball court, at playground. Mababa lang ang down payment nito at stretchable pa up to 24 months. Available ito through Pag-ibig Financing, kaya naman abot kaya mo na magkabahay. Talaga naman sulit na sulit ang pera mo dito, di ba? Secure ang community, malapit sa work, schools at malls. Mas mura kaysa sa Metro Manila, pero ang location, accessible pa rin. Perfect investment na tataas ang value over time. Dahil kalapit lang nito ang soon-to-rise na Maple Grove Commercial District.
Kaya wag mo nang palampasin ang chance na ito. Magpa-reserve na for only 5,000 at simulan nang abutin ang pangarap mong bahay. Once again, this is JC Ryan from Susi.ph. See you!